Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a versatile kitchen powerhouse, the 3-in-1 food processor blender combo with a 1000W motor. If you're looking for a single appliance that can handle multiple kitchen tasks, this one is designed to do exactly that. It combines a blender, food processor, and grinder all into one compact system, saving both space and money. Let's start with performance. With a 1000-watt motor, this machine is powerful enough to handle smoothies, shakes, frozen drinks, and even tougher ingredients like nuts and dough. Whether you're blending fruits or kneading dough, it delivers consistent results without slowing down. Now, what really makes this stand out is the multi-function design. You get an 8-cup food processor bowl that's perfect for chopping vegetables, shredding cheese, or preparing dough. There's also a grinder attachment, which is great for spices, coffee beans, or small ingredients. For everyday convenience, it includes a 24 ounces to-go cup with a lid. That means you can blend your smoothie and take it with you instantly, perfect for busy mornings or workouts. Another great feature is the electric shredding and grating capability. Instead of manually grating cheese or vegetables, this machine does it quickly and efficiently, saving you time in the kitchen. Despite its powerful performance, it's designed to be user-friendly with simple controls. Switching between attachments is quick, so you can move from blending to processing without any hassle. It also works well for both small and large batches, making it suitable for individuals or families. And when it comes to cleaning, the detachable parts make the process straightforward. Overall, if you want a reliable all-in-one kitchen system that blends, chops, grinds, and even handles dough, this 3-in-1 combo is a solid choice. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews like this.